para niyo ako pa kaya? Pagkarin ng Panginoon ko nga, ano? You have that potential to build. Sabihin nyo nga sa Panginoon, sabihin nyo sa sarili nyo, papalayan ka ng Panginoon financially. What else? How are we going to be rich? Properties. We're going to have properties in the Philippines. What else? We're going to need to invest money also in the stock market. We're going to have business, etc., etc. God is going to bless us. Palapakan natin ang Panginoon. Ay, kulang. Ay, tama pala yun. Yun lang pala. Potential leaders, potential entrepreneurs, potential achievers, potential to own, potential to travel, potential to be citizens of this country. Church, starting tonight, let's use that God-given potential in us. We will be somebody in this society. Palakpakan natin ang Panginoon. Each of us has been given potentials to live victoriously here on earth. Remember, mas tingnan niyo ulit ito, each of you, each of us has been given potentials to live victoriously here on earth. The most perfect way to use that God-given potential is, this is the most perfect way to use the potential of God in our lives is, never look back on your past. Never! Never look back on your past. Keep moving forward. Keep moving forward. Past is past, though it is fun. Pero tapos na yun eh. Wala na tayo makagawa. Past is past, even though it is fun. Even though it is nice. Or probably past is past, even though it is painful. It is hurting. Still, it is your past. It is my past. Those are just memories. Just to be remembered, not to dwell into. Pwede natin yung past natin, pwede natin pag-usapan, pwede natin lalaan, but to dwell into our past is a different story. The Lord doesn't want us to dwell in our past. The Lord wants us to move forward. Palakpakan natin ang Panginoon. There is a vast horizon ahead of us. Untapped resources that has to be enjoyed. Projects to be finished. Goals to be achieved. Bundles of joys that awaits us. Success to be attained. And victories to be won. All of this will be possible only if we will use the God-given potential in us. Church, I want to declare to you, and I am telling you right now, as a pastor and God's servant, we are victorious in Jesus' name. We are overcomers. We will be successful this year 2010 because we are living life with God. Panginoon ngayon, Lord, sorry for I have listened to the lies of the enemy. Kala ko ganito na lang ang buhay ko. I have not used your gift in me that potentially will be somebody. Hindi tayo nagtawag sa Panginoon. Sabi natin, Panginoon, Lord, sorry, naging kontento ako sa buhay ko.